Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a common issue where your AirPods Pro or your AirPods pauses randomly when you're trying to listen to music or when you're trying to listen to anything in general with your AirPods on. Now, this happens for multiple reasons, and we're going to walk you through the most common ones that will hopefully resolve this issue. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have my AirPods connected and I have a device over there back as well that I recently connected to my AirPods. So whenever you are connected to multiple devices, whether it be iPhone, maybe you have other devices that you connected, what you want to do is you want to forget the other device that you connected your AirPods to. So in order to do that, you simply go into settings and then you want to go find Bluetooth, and then you click on that icon up here where there's an eye here. You click on that and then go all the way down here and you will forget this. You click on forget this device and that will remove that device from your account, and that will kind of prevent it from trying to connect to two places when they're in the same region. Now, the next thing you want to do if you're still having the issue is click on here whenever you're connected to the AirPods. We'll click on that eye icon up here, and this time we're going to look for this automatic ear detection. Now, automatic ear detection, whenever your AirPods in your ear, it automatically detects it and it will try to play music or stop music if it thinks it's out of your ear, which is kind of annoying. And that's where a lot of times people have the issue where your music or the sound that you're trying to play stops because it might be in your ear, but if it like moved a little, it might automatically disconnect or pause it. So you want to go ahead and turn that off, and that helps a lot when it comes to if you're having the issue where it just pauses a lot randomly. Now, after you have done that, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is actually go ahead and click here on this device, and then you're going to forget this device, right? You're going to forget this device just like that, and then you remove this device from your account. And then with the AirPods here, you're going to press and hold this button, as you can see in the back here, for about 15 seconds, and it will flash some light. So I'm going to press and hold that button for about 15 seconds. But while I do that, I'm going to look to see what happens here. I'm going to press and hold, and that's going to be doing a reset of your AirPods, which generally fixes any sort of issues that you have with it if it's software related. And while you're at it, the next time you connect it will also try to update the firmware on it. So I'll do this here, just press and hold. As you can see, the light changes. You're going to try it to hold it for 15, maybe even 20 seconds depending on it. And then after you have done that, you're going to go ahead and open up the lid. And as you can see here, it's going to try to connect again. Now, connect to the device that you want to connect here. As you can see, both of the devices are looking to connect. If you can see in the back, you hit that connect option. It's going to look to connect. So I'm going to connect it again. You can set all of this up or customize it however you want to. Going to go through the setup process, and hopefully this time you're able to connect again, check your Bluetooth again, and hopefully you click on that eye icon one more time. And again, you can see here the ear detection again. It came back, so you want to go ahead and turn that off again if you're having the issue, that way that you don't have this issue at all. So hopefully this quick little tip help you guys fix the issue of the AirPods Pro or the AirPods just pausing on you. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. And if you guys found a better way to fix this issue, also share it with everyone by leaving a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.